So it's raining in the moment, and I don't know if my audio is synced to when I talk over to the left side, if it comes out of that speaker. If I talk to the right side, if it comes more out of that speaker. And the problem I have right now is that I have to be able to mount the microphone on my stick, on my selfie stick, because I have a selfie stick here. I don't know if you can see it. So I have a selfie stick. I could even go further if I wanted to. If my arm would be longer, I could go further away even. Do you hear the rain hitting my gazebo? It's crazy here. Alright, so now listen to this. The thing is, how do I mount the Røde Wireless receiver sender? How do I mount that? How do I mount this on the selfie stick, you know? That was the thing. And there was no real good solution, and then I just printed a mount for it. I just designed and printed a mount for it. It's pretty easy. I should make a video about how to do this and why you would do this and why you need a 3D printer and how fast you can do it. That's a thing. This is probably a good video. Okay, now I don't know if I can show this with the camera while I do it. The mount. Okay, the camera has this thing. Look at this. And the camera can only go a certain way. So, okay, now do it. Can you see this? Okay, I don't know if it's blurry or not, but this is how the mount works. On the stick, see this little clip on? So it clips onto the selfie stick. It is super light, and the Røde here comes in here like this. See, there is the clip here, and this is a hot shoe, like a hot shoe kind of thing, right? And you can just, if I would have more hands available. Oh, sorry about this. So, I need more hands. So you basically just insert this here into the hot shoe, right? And it's on there. Look at that. And it's a little 3D printed thing. I'm going to post that on Thingiverse sooner or later. Maybe I do another one. I'm going to have to click it in here again. So I may, I want to see my screen again here. I may post this on Thingiverse. Maybe I do another iteration where I can plug in the cable, or the I could make one where I plug in the USB-C, right? So this and what comes out of it, that doesn't bend much, or what? I don't know. I could make the super fancy little clip-on for that. I don't know if it's worth the trouble, but maybe it is. Okay, so 4-minute video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you subscribe, then maybe you find out if I ever post a video on how to make it, or if I post the part on Thingiverse. Okay, you have a great day.